All right, got myself a new toy here. Black Diamond, 3500 watts, 4375. I don't know what that means, but anyways, we got it. So we're gonna crack it open and see what we got in here. It's a very heavy, very big boy. What do we got? Here, instructions, maybe warranty or something. I don't know. We got a little fuel thing.
There you go.
So, everything's standard right down the side on the box here, and then just rip it off like that. There it is. Alright, look at that. Look at that. It also comes with a starter oil too. 5W30 oil, so I don't have to get that. I just need to get fuel for it now. So we'll get rid of this box. Oops. So we got a lot of good plugs here too. We got the 120 volt, 30 amp, can power up a trailer, and 120 volt, the same one right there. And they got the regular plugs here as well. Yeah, could practically live on this thing. It runs for about 14 hours, and yeah, I just need to top it up with some gas, and I think it should be good to go. Yeah, I can't wait to get it started. So anyways, it's all good. Well, I haven't been at the cabin for a few days. Actually, it's been longer than that, probably a couple weeks maybe. So I decided to come out here real quick. I brought my generator along and a compressor. I'm going to be doing some work here over the next maybe a couple days or so, and maybe just do a little bit of more upgrades. But it's always great to come out this way, and we got some snow happening here right now. A lot of good, fluffy, fresh snow. So yeah, it's been was a good ride over, and probably not going to stay too long. Maybe a few minutes just to check on things, drop some things off, and maybe we'll heat up the place a little bit. And yeah, so let's go check it out. I always love this walk, I tell you. And I do want to take some measurements though. I'm going to do some work. Some work around here, but I just want to do a quick check, see if everything is all good. I kind of wish I could finish off the rest of my trail as well, but I'll take care of that maybe in another season. But yeah, let's go and just take a quick look, see how everything is inside. This generator actually weighs a ton, so it's going to be quite the challenge trying to get up the hill here. So I might stumble, rest a little bit halfway down, halfway up, I mean, but we got this. Come on, we can do this. We can do this. We got it. We got it. Arms are like rubber. Legs too. But I did it. And I'm out of breath. Get some heat.